Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be swatching and reviewing these cute little candy matte lip colors from Blue Heaven. So these are some of the affordable lipsticks that are newly launched from the brand Blue Heaven, and I'm going to be swatching and reviewing. I've got 6 shades here, so let's move on to the video. Before which, please take a moment to hit the red color subscribe button right underneath this video, and also hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload. And also I upload on every Wednesday and Saturday. So Wednesday I upload at 7 p.m. in the evening, and on Saturday I upload at 12 p.m. in the afternoon. So do stay subscribed to my channel so that you get notified every single time I upload and you do not miss out any videos from my channel. Let's get started. So let's start with the packaging first. It comes in this nice packaging. It looks like a lollipop to me, and it has a nice rounded bottom with the sticker at the bottom. It has the shade name and shade number, and it's a transparent packaging, and it has a very long handle which makes it easier to apply, and it comes with a doe foot applicator which gives you a precise and nice application. So this packaging is like so cute. I basically got this because of the packaging only. It's extremely cute, and this particular range of lipsticks, they come in about 12 shades. They have many pinks, reds, and they have one nude which I do have in my collection right here, and it has one purple, a vibrant lavender purple kind of a color that I love, and the shade range is quite nice, I would say. Coming to the claims, it says that it's long lasting, smudge proof and transfer proof. All points check. It's a matte formula, hence it's very long lasting, and it can be a little drying on the lips. So make sure that you prep your lips well in advance before applying this lipstick. Just apply a nice coat of lip balm, remove the excess lip balm, and then go in with this lipstick. The pigmentation is on point. You do not have to go in with 3 or 4 layers. Probably 1 or 2 swipes would do. It would give a very nice pigmentation. Now all of these shades that I've got are extremely matte in formula, except for one. It does dry down to matte, but it has a lot of shimmer particles in it. The shade CL03 Pink Pop, it does have a lot of shimmer particles into it, but it dries down matte. The formula is quite nice. It's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's right in between. It's like a creamy sort of a liquid formula that goes on so nicely on the lips, and it sets matte instantly. Within seconds it sets matte, and it looks like perfect on the lips. It does not move, it does not budge, it does not transfer, and it's going to last you like for 5 to 6 hours straight. Even if you have greasy Indian meals in between, it's going to last you for a very long time. And also the price of these lipsticks are about rupees 125 each, and you can find this on Nykaa, Amazon and Cuffs and Lashes. I got 3 of the lipsticks from Cuffs and Lashes and 3 of them from Amazon. Amazon does have these bundles wherein they sell these lipsticks as a bundle together, so you can buy it from Amazon as well. My experience with these lipsticks were that it did last me like for 5 to 6 hours on my lips, and it felt very nice on the lips. It was a little bit drying because it is smudge proof, it is transfer proof. If a lipstick is smudge proof, transfer proof, long lasting, then you know that it's gonna be a little bit drying on the lips. However, these are not those kind of powdery type of texture like the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid lipsticks that has like a powdery sort of a finish. This is more comfortable than that, I would say, but it is a little bit drying, I would say. So just prep your lips well, and it did last for 5 to 6 hours on my lips. So that's it for my quick little review on these lipsticks. I'm going to be showing you the swatches next, and we'll wrap up this video. were the swatches of these lipsticks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please share, comment, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.